Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable dynamic refresh rate in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now before I proceed further, I want you to know one thing. A refresh rate will always exist on your computer. Whether it is dynamic or not is a different story. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display in the right pane, scroll down and click on advanced display. Now you'll find an option for choose a refresh rate and it will exist. If you wish to change it to dynamic, then you can pick either of these two dynamic options or something else. So I'll tell you what a dynamic refresh rate does. It will either allow you or your system this half refresh rate or the full one, and a static one will keep it static. So I keep it static, but if you want a dynamic refresh rate, then this is what you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.